Here I've got DOOGEE S50 and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So all you have to do is to tap on power key and just hold it for a while and then keep holding power off icon. Now you will notice the notification about rebooting to safe mode, so if you really want to activate safe mode in which all third-party applications will be deactivated, just tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode. Here we've got the notification. And you can use your phone with all third-party apps deactivated. You can check if the issues that you have are due to apps or the device itself. Smoothly check it, and then if you'd like to turn safe mode off, tap on power key again and pick a restart. Confirm that you would like to reboot your phone by tapping on OK, and just within a couple of seconds you will be back in the standard one. Standard mode will off, all apps active. And that's it. Now you are back in the normal mode and you can use your device in the normal way. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.